Okay. Um. So the there's another account in here.
Hmm.
He's the one who's developing the the indicator that I'm using.
Yeah, man, I remember him from the other day.
Hey guys, do you hear me?
Yeah, what's
Yeah,
up,
yeah.
Hey.
And this is Chronic. He's somebody I'm trying to teach somebody how to get consistent. So he's my project to see if I can get somebody consistent. So this might be interest. Well, first and foremost, we've been trading in the morning together, and since I'm using the indicator, I think you should see how it's working out every time I'm trading,
Mhm.
and then you can kind of start to see how I'm teaching him as well. So you can take whatever you think might be beneficial from this interaction
Sounds
with
good.
him. It's really quiet pre-market.
Are you sharing your screen or not at the moment?
Not yet. I'll pull it up in a moment. So Chronic, you're going to be quicker on entries and exits.
Yeah, no, that's my goal.
Okay.
Try to get back to scalping. I noticed almost all my trades yesterday were either move to move or holds.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to call you out on one of those trades where you were. I'm like, you should cut it. You should cut it.
Mm-hmm. Do you want me screen sharing, or are you gonna screen share yours?
I'm gonna put mine on so he can watch. I don't really need to
figured.
see yours because I know that I know what you're getting is working. So I'm not going to be on a correlation or any of that shit because I'm still testing. So it's gonna be something about today has a trappy feel to it, just because of that pre-market was not good.
Yeah. Yeah, I would probably agree with that. This whole week, if you look at the 30-minute chart, this whole week has been very grindy. 900s is a pretty big level. We might test that today.
Let me look at the 30-minute.
We do have a big 10 o'clock news. Consumer sentiment and PCE.
Okay.
Big old rip off the open.
Take your time.
See a two-factor at 81s.
Yeah. See, those are spread out by 3 ticks. We got a 2-factor on 84. 2 bottoms are overlapping. Get some good pulse checks in.
Yeah.
First.
Two-factor above.
I know that. Damn, fucking 32nd is still in green delta territory.
Yeah. Grinding to the downside here. There could be a mean reversion. I'll pulse check short 84.25.
Is that a pulse check?
Yeah. I'll probably take it there for the point.
I don't know if you'd get filled on that. It looks like 3 ticks at a time. So if it's not giving you that 4 tick really quick, you need to mark it.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about clustered in here. 3 bottoms. So it's three tops in a row on 84.50. Pulse check long here. Actually, yeah, I would keep the 84.50 long potentially. Pulse check.
Good.
Which unfortunately, it would not work out for me.
Just slip range here. I would maybe pulse check the long here, but I would wait for right side of the V. Right now it's accepting too much lower. Yeah, that invalidates it right there. This could be breaking out to the downside. There was a 2-factor there that just got auto-deleted. Is that a 2-factor? Yeah, we're trading on a 2-factor right now at 81s. We might have just put in a third. There could be a 3-factor here. I'll pulse check the short 81.
Yeah, that's 4.
Might pull back on me here.
I'm wondering if it's doing the opposite. If embeds in the open pop up. So they're jamming at it. It could go. There it goes.
It would be so hard for me to work an exit on that move. We still
Yeah,
be short
those things,
81.
I fucking hate those things.
There we go. I'd probably take the point there. I don't think I would hold it for much more than that.
So you've had 2 pulse checks and they've been close to a point.
Yeah.
You need to be fucking really fast. Get another pulse check in there.
There's a 2-factor at 83.
4 above us right here. See how it's stalling?
Yeah.
Oh, and then they jam it.
Oh, that 83s is actually a 3-factor.
I'm gonna call a short 81 pulse check.
I would short a shimmy back, maybe 82.50.
I've been wrong on both pulse checks.
Yeah, I
So
would try to get short here. 82.50 short. I'll pulse check it. I don't want to see it accept above 83.50. I think that's my risk. I might implement like a time-based stop. Yeah, I'd probably flat key it right there. Just because it's not working immediately.
Right above us is a 5.
Yeah, I see it.
All tops. That's embedding.
It's putting in a peak though. I think you might be onto something when they gun it towards an area like that. I don't think it's steady enough for them to break out. I think it's too fragile of a move, you know?
There might be a certain amount of factors of support because when I'm doing it on correlations, there's a lot.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And then also, if there's not follow through, I'll cut it for small peanuts if one of the other markets doesn't help ES push it. So that could be throwing me off when I trade exclusively ES.
There's something weird going on with the indicator. I'm going to screenshot it, send it to Dream. Right, the version I'm working on is Dreams, right?
Yeah.
Okay. But if I refresh, it should fix. Okay. What sucks about that though is I lost my 30-second bars, so you're gonna have to help me out with those.
All right.
But that 5-factor is still valid, right? At 85.50.
It's 4.
4.
It's still good though. It's something to remember.
Yeah.
It was all tops too.
Yeah. I see. I think the short at 85 would have been valid, but you're catching a knife, you know, because the move was so quick up to 85. You got to be super aggressive to short that, and it could blow out against you big time. So I'm not sure if those trades are worth taking, you know, especially if the risk reward, like if you're only going to get 4 ticks out of it, but you're risking 4 points, you know, the risk reward is skewed.
There's about 5 bottoms right below us. Actually, this is a huge area right below us. They spiked into it. I don't know what this is at 81s, but it's massive. If it can go through... Ah, fucking hell. I'm on a... Had a 2 lot. It didn't fill.
I like the spoof entry here. I'm going to try a short 82.
They like spiked it and they didn't breach it. I'm gonna look for the embed for the breakout.
Yeah, I took it for 1 tick profit. It's just not quite moving.
Right here on
fast.
81. Let's see if they embed. I think this is worth a shot. Didn't get it. unfortunately, for the break.
So short would have worked. It's useful information.
So I think the spikes do matter to some degree. You have to go out to the DOM and just kind of watch the DOM, because the DOM will throw out these micro movements.
Yeah.
So when it like flashes quickly for a tick or two,
Yeah. It'll like jitter.
you're gonna want to consider that as a sort of a fast test. So they're fast testing into this area again, which they just blitzed it. I think there could be a push low.
Yeah, I agree with that currently.
Got a point off 80.25 to 79.25. It hit a 3-factor top, 1-factor bottom. Actually, it was 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 bottoms, 3 tops, so it was a mix. And then also we had all the tops rotate, so I don't think mixes or tops make much of a difference.
There's a what is that? A 3-factor, 4-factor at 79.
Where?
79.
79, I would consider 2, 3. Yeah, with a high time frame, if you keep the levels tight. But then 78, the problems, you might have problems at 78s because there's also a 3-factor there.
Yeah.
So there's 2 layers of 3 factors, 78s. See, they're spiking here. Pulse check short, 78.50. Now they're embedding. I would get out. I would take a 1-tick loss.
I'll pulse check along 79. Struggling a little bit, but I'd be able to get the 6 ticks out of
Yeah,
it.
there you pull it right there, because now you're hitting a 4-factor at 81,
Yeah.
which is spiked, and it could melt back in. See how it's melting a little bit if 81s, that's a 4-factor.
Yeah.
And it's now let's see if they embed it. They're embedding it.
Could be capitulation.
I'm not gonna get that. Oop, I got filled. I didn't want the fill.
We've been doing this liquidity grab shit all week, man. And that move down could have just been one big
2-tick
liquidity
win.
grab.
I'm running a more aggressive tune, 50 on 32nd. Just because that aggressive tune, I don't know if you want to make that adjustment.
I'm
That
long 80.
Okay.
Sorry, I don't mean to interrupt you.
They spiked 80s. That's what I don't like about it. You might get a break even. You can get a break even here.
Yeah, it took it off for a break even. Would have liked to see 81s out of that, but you're right. They did spike it.
Man, it feels like auto delete's not working, but the boxes are just not getting blown out. Right down here's a big fucking 78s is huge, and it has runway to the low if it does break. So they're spiking on it. Spike into another high area above. See where they embed. They're embedding right here, but I need them to... Oh. See, I feel like that spike came from a different product.
Yeah, you might be right. Because that was.
They're spiking here. There could be a rotation. 82 short, pulse check short. It's embedding. I would pull it and flip long, maybe. No, they just fucking, they jammed it up.
I like the right side of the V here. I'm gonna try the short 81.75. I'll take it for
They
3
could-
ticks if they'll give it to me. I'll take it for 2 ticks. Got the 2 ticks.
There you go.
That was more of a mean version, and that was a 4-factor, right? I'm not mistaken. There's still a 4-factor there
But
at
at
82.
82s, it's fucking got all sorts of shit going on.
Okay.
At least I'm got an aggressive tune on the 32nd now, so let's see if they embed it here. It seems like they could really start sweeping.
No, there's a lot of noise in here. I'm not even on an aggressive tune. I think I'm on 150 still, and there's a lot here. I think there could be a breakout of 86, 85, 86. They put in one big liquidity grab to the downside there. I think they could break out.
Yeah, 84 is on the 32nd, has a big deal and they're embedding on it.
I like the shimmy back here. I'm going to try the long, 81.75. Never got filled on it, unfortunately.
Took a 4-tick loss. I was sitting long at 83 for several cycles. Just kind of, it's like at a different level now. I don't.
Yeah, it's kind of grinding down. I'll pulse check along 81.50, but I'm not quite comfortable taking it right now. Might have worked for the point. I'd probably take it here.
I like that pop low.
Yeah, the pop low and then the suck back up. I think that's a good sign.
Embedding low, which I don't really like too much.
80.75 is prior day high, and they're kind of flirting with that level. For what it's worth.
This 84 dude is, they keep ramming on the motherfucker. Let's see if they can embed it. This, if they can just get up through that 84. Come on, embed.
Looks good.
Right, I went long 82.75 on that one puke where you're like, oh, that looks good. So I got the puke because I tried trading 84s, didn't work. It was
Yeah.
kind of working. Then it kind of like when it drifts away from you, you're like, man, this level doesn't seem valid anymore. I decided to cut it. And then once I got the puke low.
Yeah, I mean, look at the slip range, man. The slip range is self-explanatory.
I'll say this with the aggressive tune, you can kind of start to see, you know how choppy ES is, just
Yeah.
that aggressive. You can kind of start to see why.
Yeah.
It's like, okay, that's too many levels, but yeah, but that also is showing you sort of that turbulent wheel. I'm at 1376.
Looks like a 4-factor, and they just broke
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
There's a lot of bottoms below us. It could be a top tick, but I'm not going to place my money on that. Top tick heading into 10 o'clock news would be kind of violent.
Oh, we have 10 on it. Do you know what the news is specifically?
It's consumer sentiment and PCE.
Okay.
I know those ones can be big.
I am on a 50 lot tune on 32nd, just so you know.
Okay. Wow, look at that fucking sweep. That was a lot of orders.
Yeah, man, they're doing. What's interesting is within this current market regime is they have these pops, but man, the suck back on it is just as quick. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying?
I see like 1,000 lots that traded up there.
This 8450 is huge.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4.
I have
think
4 between 84.25
I
and
might
up.
take the rotation off of it.
There's 2 up here. They're spiking on it. Pulse check short.
I'm gonna take the short 40 84.25.
Be careful. It's embedding right here. I pull it.
I took it for a 2-tick loss.
See how it's just getting worse.
Yeah. Yeah, I would have been sweating right now if I was still in that.
They're taking that reclaim back. That's the fucking $1 million question. When do they take those? You got double overlap 85, 86 or whatever that price is. 86.75 double overlap, one top, one bottom, 2 tops right above us. Just patience. We got news is approaching, man.
Yeah. It's gonna get spready.
We're kind of at our normal level 2 depth of 60-ish. 65, 70s.
So that's what pisses me off about micros. Is I got the micro dome up, and I just don't know how to read it.
I think I want to test micros, but I think there's a lot of order flow influencing a yes.
Yeah, and I like watching the order flow.
Three top here. Embed.
So I can move it here, so at least I can see it. I'll cover it with Russell.
Two tops. There was something else there. They took it out. So hypothetically, I would say there'd be more factors there. Spike, possible bounce, pulse check long. 90 maybe is where I would have got the fill at. And then I would bang it out for 2 or 3 here.
Yeah, that is a solid level.
There's a 4. There was another line there, but it auto deleted.
Yeah.
Now you're at 4 right here. with the embed, spike in, possible continuation low, back to 88.50. Oh,
Dukesville. Let's see if the embed.
you're embedding up, which is solid, but I don't like how the 30-second doesn't have any setups.
Yeah, I don't have fuck all on the 30-second. That's why I have it hands off.
One thing you'll notice though is I can't. It's like a reclaim. You know, there's a reclaim there. But trying to predict the direction of a reclaim is a fucking mystery.
Yeah.
But you know that it can be very helpful or very dangerous.
Mm-hmm.
When you're watching your red green boxes, the freshest red or green oftentimes can get retraced.
Yeah, I've drilled a lot of those scenarios, and that does check out.
The problem is by how much and when.
Yeah.
Just like a reclaim. So this is the theory behind the spike. You fade the spike because it puts in a fast red or green.
Yeah.
That could get retraced. The embed is making those red greens smaller.
Yeah.
And it's simply inventory being balanced. It's the hedging effect.
They're trying to push back down into 86s. 86
It's a
was the
belief
prior
factor.
high of day. They could want to suck back into it, which would
Not
not
a high.
surprise me.
Trade for me, they are embedding.
They're compressing into it.
Then they spike out though.
Yeah, I usually like it when they spike out, but this spike is way too stable. You know, there's solid orders here. So
Now they're
I'm
embedding
not gonna
sub
fade it.
region, which is a 2 factor.
We got news in 2 minutes, and I chugged that first cup of coffee, so I'm gonna go shit real quick.
All right.
I'll be back.
There's a high factor here. I don't. And they're embedding. Break even 88.75s long. Didn't work as fast as I would like it. Getting basically a 5 above us. I think it could go either fucking way. What time is it? 30 seconds. Solid embed. Got it. Got the long there, right as the news released. 6 trades, 2100.
Hello?
Hey.
Yo, what's up?
Oh, just trading.
Okay, cool.
Chronic's taking a shit.
Cool.
Did you just wake up?
I did.
Okay.
What was the what did you DM me, or not DM me, but mention me?
Oh, this was a locked group.
Oh, okay, I didn't know that. Cool.
So the only people that can come in is admin, you, Chronic, and the gentleman that has been helping build the indicator.
Nice. Awesome. What for?
Well, this is where I coach Chronic.
Oh, okay.
You've been doing a great job, and I think all your hard work of just posting and tagging and stuff, I think you should just sort of see how Chronic and I work together, and I don't know, just start to just get a little more hands-on help. You know what I mean?
Yeah, sounds good to me. Yeah, thank you.
I feel free to chime in and stuff, but I want you to just for now just hear the flow between Chronic and I.
Sweet, dude.
And,
Hey, what's up, dude?
What's up, man?
Sorry, I was shitting. I didn't see you join.
Dude, you gotta take a shit when you gotta take a shit.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. You know, it's the stress shits. I gotta get it out of my system.
so I did long into the news.
Okay, worked out for you.
Embedded on a high level.
Okay.
I was watching my clock.
Are we above
So
900 yet?
the embeds are working.
900s is a
But
huge
the thing is,
level.
they can switch so quickly. I mean, I think there's these weird outliers where it doesn't. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I agree
But
with you.
I would be on a 50 tune for the 30-second and get more noise out of it.
I think there's a huge test here at 900s at the psych price, and then it's pretty much straight to all-time high. So 900s could be pretty volatile.
Wait, how close is ATH?
All-time high is let me see, 952, I think, 953. Oh no, sorry, it's 950s. 953, yeah. 953.75, I think, is the high, all-time high.
How far is that?
It's 50 points away, roughly.
Okay, that's still pretty far.
But there's a huge level at 900 even. So we almost tested that to the tick, kind of. 98.75, 98.50.
They're starting to build something above us.
Yeah,
I would say 98s.
there could be a breakout up there.
There's about a 3 factor. I'm thinking the best way to run the levels, if the tune's aggressive, which on the 3-second it is aggressive, is having the levels 1 tick apart. If there's a 2-tick dynamic in between, because the market is really tight, you know, and choppy, I think you want that 1 tick apart. So right above us, it's about 3 apart. Right between 97.50, you should have a level, and 98.25. So it's 3 ticks. I would say that it, like, if there's there's 3 ticks right here, you could just take.
Boom.
More actually. We'll see.
They touched
But-
900 even to the tick right there.
So when you're running the levels, make sure they're about a tick apart.
Yeah.
Now your 32nd, this is where you're gonna want to run global crosshair. I think it's control 3 by default. You can put your global crosshair on and see if the 32nd is within that. So right below us is about a 5 factor
Yeah,
Actually-
I see it.
at 97s. Your 3. Never mind, they're extending.
Lots of volume here at 900s. Looks like they're embedding up here.
There's not enough for the trade.
No, I would agree with that.
Watch these 97s. They're
Yeah.
cycling,
3,
reclaim
4
it.
factor there. Technically a 5 if you're gonna use the
Yeah, I
323.
would. Yeah, I would say about a 5. Actually 6. All the way in the 98s. Actually, the whole fucking thing. This whole area is so fucking stout. They're fucking jamming it hard. Pulse check long. 98 even, I think. Now they're embedding it a bit. I'd probably cut it.
Might flip because I don't want to catch a knife
I-
today, but the unwind, it looks like it's
I think it
unwinding.
could be flipped. I agree with you. It might be flippable.
Let's see
It's
if
like-
I can get a shimmy back on it.
The problem is these levels cover such a fucking vast piece of real estate.
Yeah,
It's like,
I'll take the shimmy back. 98.25 short.
make sure it stays on the embed. So it is spiking. You may want to.
Yeah, I'm
It
gonna
could
work
get
an exit
blasted.
here.
It could slip. It could slip
I
in
took
here.
it off. 96.75.
That was a good trade. The thing is, when it's spiked, I think you got a rotation on a 2 factor though. That's
Yeah.
kind of a bit trippy.
That was my sign to get out. I was like, I don't really want to suck back on the reclaim here.
Look, they're slip ranging it too.
Yeah. So that was a good exit.
Al-
I'm gonna call that. A good
Also,
exit.
they spiked into there was a higher factor of support they spiked into. I think the real, I think a lot of this is worth a little bit, like you just did. Maybe a point or so. I think the real power plays are when you can see those areas that are just churning out big numbers and they're really getting fucked with.
Yeah.
Which, even without the levels, would make sense because from a price action standpoint, you would just see pivoting.
Yeah.
They got it's big below us. It's fucking huge below us. I think there's just more of a free spacing above. You got a big one up here too, especially on that 32nd, dude.
Yeah.
Can they embed it? it's a bit spiky. You're a 5 factor all tops above.
Let's try the rotation off 900 even long.
That could be it's only on a 3-second time frame. You don't have too much of a factor, so you're gonna want to
Yeah.
bail it. Did you bail it?
Took it off. 3 tick loss.
All right. It started embedding on you. I don't know if you caught that. So now it's spiking into an. Let's see if they embed here.
Yeah, I think 99 would have been the more conservative entry for a long.
Yeah, I think you were just a bit early on that.
I'll
That's
pulse
a
check
3.
and try too.
Yeah, I think it's a 3 factor, so it's okay. And there's only a 1 factor above us.
Well, that
You
that
could
9
rerun.
that one.
I think you could run this into this small 3-tick reclaim above.
there's a 4-factor breakout at 901.
Yeah, exactly. No, it's more than that.
Yeah, 1, 2.
I
3,
got
4,
the
5.
aggressive tune on. You're talking. It's huge. It's
Yeah,
it's
a
worth
big
it.
one. I really like that move up we just put in.
They need to
Could be
embed it.
something there.
It's a little too spiky. Let's see if they stall it. I guess they're gonna smooth it, roll it. They could be top ticking it.
Yeah, we did top tick earlier, pretty aggressively too.
It is stalling. Nabbed a point off the long. What happened was it aggressively spiked through it, but then it stalled on the top of it. So for me, I'm like, okay, well that's the embed. You're seeing it, you're getting it. It just you need to be a little tighter in certain areas. Like
Yeah.
those tops are still fucking valid. They didn't actually blow those levels out. Those levels won't get blowed out until there's like a more aggressive shove low, and then they'll dip. You're a 4-factor above. Huge spike into our magical area here.
Yeah, that 901 level. Could be fadeable.
I faded it. I'm on it at 1.
Yeah, I'm trying to work an entry 150 long.
Ooh, look at that 400 that's boosting it up. I pulled that too. Somebody pumped the bid there. Don't chase it.
Got the 3 ticks out of it.
Okay. Try not to chase. You know, every tick matters, so try not to chase it.
Yeah, especially with the reclaim. I'm not going to chase the top of the reclaim.
I'm at 3290. This is the smoothest day I've had in weeks.
Nice, dude.
Oh,
Yeah,
I feel
think
so
it's
good.
I think it's days like these, man. I do think it's team trading. Not to blow smoke up my own ass, but I think you and me are kind of feeding into each other, you know?
Yeah, because I'm telling you to fucking cut shit, and it has saved you. But it only works when the team trading aspect is only working when clarity is like.
Yeah. So something's happening up here.
So you got a massive cluster of shit. from here all the way down, and it's embedding. I think there could be a short. I think they could blow out, and there's a bigger reclaim on the 32nd. You can see it running the 98s.
Yeah.
If they continue to embed like this,
Yeah,
I think it's
this-
gonna shit
this
its
is kind of a
pants.
change of character here. This fresh high above 900s does not look like the other fresh highs we've put in
What?
today.
It's not even like it's from a pure technical standpoint. They were embedding the levels. They are spiking out. It only has a 2-factor above, so they wouldn't have given too much down there. So that fell short of what I was looking for. 4-factor up here with an embed. Let's see if they can just slow roll. It's getting a little whippy. So they are spiking. They did technically spike their way up there. Dude, dude, it's high as shit up here. Now it's like fucking 6. Let's see if they hold the embed. A little spiky.
Is that going to be a top tick? It looks like it.
They're still embedding it though. It could blow out on the long.
Yeah, I'm tempted, but I just don't have great clarity.
I do have it at 3.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. I was hovering at 3, but I decided not to take it. I think you could be good.
There's liquidity at 5. They kind of spiked up. I don't like that. I'm gonna try to bail. 2 ticks. I don't care. I'll take a 2-tick loss.
Yeah, it could be Pukesville. Let's see what they do at ones. Watching that level like a hawk today.
Yeah, I think ones is huge, huge, especially on the 32nd. They're spiking a little bit. Let's see if they bounce. Slightest bounce up, maybe. They could still bounce it. I'd let it embed a little longer. Still could bounce. This could turn into some nasty slip range. Slightest embed here.
I'm going to try the short. 125.
There's that reclaim runs the 99s or some shit.
I took it out for a point.
I'm holding it still. I'm in the 75s trying to fucking run 99 even here, but fuck me. They spiked. I don't like that spike. They actually spiked into some levels, which is not good for me.
If they start embedding down here, I would like the ones for retests. But I already got my point. I
Man,
don't
they're
wanna be too
fucking with
aggressive.
this. I'm taking 2 out of it. Because there's another heavy level here at 99.50s.
Yeah, on the 3 second.
They're heavy on both sides, man.
Yeah, and it's getting
It's
super
really
tight.
heavy. 0.50s right here is heavy as fuck if they can embed up. They're spiking a little bit. They spiked low. I think they could push up slightly. Now they're embedding low. It might slip range, dude. Okay, they finished it off. Huge spike on a massive area.
That one's even is still valid.
They could pivot
Spiking
low.
up.
Oh my god, look at that pivot low.
Yeah, that was a good
Heavy
pivot low.
area, dude. And also that pivot high, that low, it was a big level too. I have one top, one bottom, one top, two bottoms. It was a 5-6 factor in that same fucking area.
Nice, dude. I'm
If I was
short
fast,
0.25.
be careful, you're embedding high.
Yeah, I took it off for a 1 tick loss.
This embed high might fucking actually blow. There it goes. Without me, I tried it. There was a shitload of tops here, but they blew all those boxes out. I'd wait. It is turning into a 4 factor. You are getting that embed. Like.
Refactor up there. There's spiking
There's a
ones.
big-
Could
That right
rotate.
below us is a big ass like potential rotation.
I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try the long at 150.
Yeah, I'm at it at 125. I will take a point though, personally. Got the point.
I'll take
It's
6.
spiking. You're spiking, so you're gonna want to exit
Got
soon.
just 6 ticks on it.
How you doing overall?
Pretty good. I think I'm up. I'm at my 10 executions. I'm up $75.
Well, since that is your rule, we need to.
Yeah. I'm gonna be done for the day. I'm happy with that. That's the first. That's the first solidly green day I've had in a very long time. So I definitely don't want to give that back.
I'm sitting at 37.50s.
Nice, dude. That's a good day for you.
Oh. So those drill techniques fucking worked. I'm on a 50 lot tune ES. 32nd. Oh, you're up 1200. Are you using the indicator?
Yes, I am, but on Nasdaq.
On Nazi? Nice, dude.
Cool. It's working on fucking Nazi. That's awesome.
Damn, they're embedding a high area too right here. Oh, never mind. It's not up there.
Let me import my trades. The auto importer's still not working, but that's okay. I'll wait for the version that Dream's working on. Had a pretty good win rate today, though. I will say that.
Well, as we're approaching all-time highs, we're getting back to familiar territory that we've always traded. I mean, if you really look at the volatility, it's like tame enough.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? The volume flow is decent. It's not hyper low flow where it's hard to get filled. It seems to be, I think it's like in fucking that territory, like little Red Riding Hood. She wanted everything to be just right, like the porridge and shit. I think it's right in that. I mean, it's starting to deteriorate, but I think it's kind of in that just right. It's not too fast. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
What size were you on?
I was on 4 lots today.
4 micros?
Yeah.
How many micros to 1 mini?
10.
You said 4?
Yeah.
$75.
Yeah, I posted my P&L in the chat.
Dude, Chronic, that's a nice set of trades there.
Thanks,
Congrats, man.
Yeah, it feels good, and it's good contentment practice too, because I've been having a lot of contentment issues with size. Like, I just always want to push max size, you know.
Yeah.
I just gotta
Sweet,
focus on
dude.
setup quality, you know.
Dude, if you're trading my size, you would be like not too far from behind me.
Yeah, that's true. I probably would be up close to you if I was on 12 lot minis.
250. So, well, I'm at 42.62 before. You'd be about halfway behind me.
Yeah, it was good, and the losses were contained too. Biggest loss was 4 ticks. Biggest win was 6 ticks. So just those quick cuts, you know. I just got to be quick on those exits.
It makes me wonder if, because I don't want to dust out correlations just yet, but it's making me wonder if getting the tune correct will make a difference.
Mm.
Does the aggressive tune oh, they just blew through a major area on these ones. Because I took the tech, all I did was dial. I want to see every delta flip. I'm thinking, because I personally, I do believe every delta flip does matter.
Mm-hmm.
Because they're always retracing them almost.
Yeah.
The problem was getting too much cluster information.
Yeah, when it gets clustered like that, it's almost like micro. You know, it's like you gotta lock the fuck in.
So, well, but that's the thing, that clustered information. The problem is that on a higher tune, a non-aggressive, is you're getting rotations in areas that just don't. Like, why is it rotating there? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And when you put the aggressive tune on, you can see it.
Yeah, it's like if everything's a level, then there are no levels. There's a sweet spot.
Yeah, because you need it to be spready enough.
Yeah.
Because the problem is the problem is there is an efficient market.
Yeah, you
Going
can't trade
on.
every fucking movement.
Well, every movement is so well calculated in ES at least, because it's running off of other order flow. The market orders are stroking in at exactly the perfect time. And when you're getting filled, you're temporarily wrong about something that the E's they think they're right about. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You're betting on somebody filling you. So you're betting on the market going against you temporarily to get the fill, because the market orders are coming in, and they're all algorithmically driven. So if these market orders are coming in and filling you, you have to be temporarily wrong on the most. We're trying to get it down to the most minute time frame.
Yeah.
I want to compete just above the HFTs, right? Not against them. I want to be in between these bigger movements, so lower time frame traders, lower frequency traders is what they're called. So we want to. That's who we're making money from, is the lower frequency traders. So we're fast enough, but we're not competing with the HFTs, because
Yeah.
at that point you do need automation. There's no fucking way around it.
Mhm.
Like those moves you're right on, where it rips up, but it rips right back into you and through. You know what I mean? It's
Yeah.
like whoop, whoop. You're like, I was right, but I can't react.
Yeah, I can't catch that. Unless I have a resting order, but if you're having resting orders everywhere, you're gonna get fucked. You know, like last month, there were 3 instances where I got blown out for 5 fucking points because I was trying to catch those moves. You know, you just can't fucking catch them. It's impossible. At what point do you think I'm gonna be ready for the new indicator?
We're still developing it, and it's when I install it, I have to do it in a very specific way.
'Cause it looks
we're
good.
gonna-
Man. I'm excited. I'm excited.
Yeah,
to
yeah,
use
we're
it.
gonna get. Let me talk to him. We're gonna get an actual DLL together.
I'm gonna jump into review, but I'm off today, so if you need anything else from me, just hit me up.
All right.
So I'll take off for now, but just shoot me a message later if you need me.
Yep.
See
I'm
you guys.
probably gonna drill later and assess correlations
Alright,
again.
I'll come hang out with you.
All right. See ya.
See ya.